Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Madami pong responsibilidad ang nakapatong sa balikat ng isang obispo, ng isang pari o ng isang diakono. Our life will not only be about living within the space of the sanctuary as presiders of the sacraments, but also a life that lives with you, our dear people. It is not only sacramental, it is administrative, relational, emotional, and personal as we deal with you. At sa dami ng ginagawa ng isang lingkod ng Diyos, tiyak po ko sa isang katotohanan na nasa kanyang puso. Dahil ayaw po naming malayo kayo sa Diyos. Masakit at mabigat po na malaman na mula sa amin o dahil sa amin, kaya tayo malalayo sa Diyos. An extreme persecution happened during the first wave of our Catholic faith. But what is notable here is that although there was already a call to silence and even to stop doing their duties as apostles, we were told that Philip preached or continued preaching to houses, to communities, to peoples. Walang pumipigil sa apostol na ito. Dahil muli ang nasa puso at isip ng isang lingkod ng Diyos, ayaw nilang malayo ang bawat isa sa Diyos. And such mission of the apostles was but an answer to the desire of the Lord, that I should not lose anything of what He gave me, but I should raise it up on the last day. Nasa pagdating ng araw na iyon, lahat tayo ay nasa Diyos at hindi kung nasaan man. Para sa Diyos tayo at para hindi tayo malayo sa Diyos. As I've said at the beginning of the Mass, today marks a significant day of our history. Later on, Europe time, our dear cardinals will be inside the Sistine Chapel at the Vatican to pray, discern, and elect a new Pope. Madami po tayong qualifications kung sino sana yung lalabas sa balkonahe bilang bagong Santo Papa. Sana magaling, sana katulad at mapatuloy niya yung ginagawa o yung nagawa ni Pope Francis. Sana maayos, sana mabait, sana matalino. But can we pray this as grace as well, that his ministry may be rooted with the same desire of the Lord, that with his presence we might not be at a loss, but always near God and for God. Ang isang lingkod na hindi tayo ilalayo sa Diyos at hindi tayo pakakawalan sa pag-ibig ng Diyos. That all His efforts, all His words, His presence, His fatherhood may be rooted so that we won't be at a loss, that we are always in the Lord. And we do not only leave this mission to the next Holy Father. Every day it is an Easter grace not to lose people, but to embrace them and to keep them always in our lives. It is not joy to lose people. Ang hindi tayo pakawalan at lagi tayong mapalapit sa Diyos. Biyaya po ito ng isang lingkod ng simbahan at isang katotohanan sana din po ito sa puso ng bawat nananampalataya. May we not lose each other from Jesus, but find each other in the Lord every day.